Those numbers reflect a grim outlook for one of our major industries, tourism.
SeaWorld was one of the first theme parks in Central Florida to start furloughing workers. At least 90% of its staff has been without pay since the end of March. And now company executives are reporting major losses. News 6's Ezzy Castro has more on SeaWorld's latest earnings report.
SeaWorld taking a major blow in both attendance and earnings during this past quarter because of the coronavirus pandemic. And the company isn't alone. Disney also announced a $1.4 billion loss because of the virus.
Keep in mind, we were forced to close all of our parks on March 16, 2020, which severely impacted our first quarter results.
SeaWorld officials hosting a conference call this morning releasing the latest earnings report. From January 1st to March 31st, SeaWorld reported a loss in attendance of 1 million guests at all its parks, compared to 2.3 million guests from the first quarter last year. The park's total revenue was decreased by $67 million.
We have already taken to reduce our cash expenditures. We estimate our average monthly net cash outflows will be between $20 and $25 million per month while our parks remain closed.
And while the theme parks remain closed, Disney officials announced a phased reopening of Disney Springs later this month, but not without new restrictions. Disney says a limited number of shopping and dining experiences owned by third-party businesses will open, and safety measures like masks for guests and cast members will be required. The news comes as the company lost $1.4 billion during the pandemic and a phased reopening of Shanghai Disneyland.
And we sincerely look forward to opening our parks and welcoming back our guests as soon as it is safe and permitted to do so.
In Orlando, Ezzy Castro getting results, News 6.